That's right. This is the freaking Amber Mom Thing subscription box. It's always a freaking exciting day when it is unboxing day here at Saving Mamasita. Yes, we do a lot of monthly subscription box unboxings from various niches.
Beauty boxes, fitness boxes, pet boxes, lifestyle boxes, home decor boxes.
You name it, we unbox it here right at Saving Mamasita. So I am so glad you could join me today because this one is special. It's for all of those moms. If you're a mom, maybe you know a mom. This is a great idea for the moms in your life. This is called Mom Things. This is a subscription box made specifically for moms. Yes, because moms deserve all of the things. Am I right? Right. So if you guys check out their website at themomthings.com, you are going to get an idea of the types of things that they include in their boxes. And one thing I should note about this is not a monthly subscription box. However, it is a bi-monthly box, which means you are going to get a box every other month. And one of the things that is very cool about Mom's Things is you can build your own box. I know there are boxes out there that you can customize your box where you can choose a few different items to include in your box. This one, you can completely customize it. This Mom Things box is called the Amber Box. If you guys are interested in getting the Amber Box, you are going to get a discount on this box. I'm gonna leave all of my information down in the description area with all of the things that I chose for the box, and you can get an awesome discount on the Amber Box. It actually does come in this particular box itself. So it says Mom Things on the outside with the website along the side, on both sides actually. And then of course the mailing labels on the opposite side. So opening it up, look, I love those colors, pink, and it's like a navy blue color. And then on the top it says, "We hope this box of fun makes you feel special. Cheers to you in 22. Stay fabulous." VlogStar, that's what the sticker says. Ooh, it's beautifully packaged. Love that. Love the pretty sticker and the pink tissue paper. Looking at the box inside, here are the items. Okay. So on the top, there is a postcard. It says, "Never forget how wildly capable you are, Mom Things." And then on the back, it says, "Ain't no hood like motherhood." The mission of Mom Things is simple. In the midst of busy life, make a woman feel special and appreciated. We hope this order makes you feel special today. XOXO Mom Things. Here is what I chose. It is a tank top. You guys all know I'm into fitness. I love working out. This is a medium-sized tank top, and it says, "I so got this. I so got this." Such a great quote, and it has the little Mom Things logo down on the bottom. So I love that tank. I love the color. It's like a cotton material. It's stretchy. Definitely a tank that I am going to be able to wear when I'm working out. So love that. And I chose this because I really love the saying on it, and it's blue, which is my favorite color. So I also got a beanie. Look at this. It's like a black and cream colored with a cream colored palm on the top. I live in the tundra, I like to say. It is freaking cold here. In fact, it has actually been -0. So this particular beanie is going to be super, super cozy. Let's try it on right now. Oh yes, yes, yes. This is cute, super comfortable. Look at that little beanie. Oh, that's cute. I love that. Love it so much. Okay, you guys, we've got more. We have more of the things inside the box. Okay, so they have some cute little blue confetti in there. Love that. Love the way they presented it. Okay, so I've got here is called Bellapierre Cosmetics Super Gloss Runway. So as you can see, this is the color of it. We're gonna open this up. I love a good lip gloss, especially more of a subtle color. Like I don't like a real bold color. So here's what I chose, the Bellapierre Cosmetics. Love this color. Opening it up. Ooh, it looks really good. I do have a color on right now, but I'm gonna put it on over. It looks like it's pretty comparable to what I have on now. I like that. So here's what it looks like on my skin. Not so bold, but it is definitely a color that I will wear a lot. So fun little lip gloss. And we have two more things. This is a Mom Things Sleep Well. Opening up this cute little sack here. I had to choose this because look it. It is a satin pillowcase. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Pink, shimmery, and it is a full pillowcase. It has a zipper and everything. The silk pillowcase that I have now doesn't have a zipper, no enclosure. So it's kind of a pain because my pillow falls out of it quite a bit. So this is gonna be nice because I'm gonna be able to actually zip up my pillow inside this. And look how cute it is. One more thing, you guys. I love this. This is a headband and I wear a lot of black. So having an accessory like this, a pop of color, really does add that vavoom to an ensemble, if you know what I mean. So this is a red knot headband. See that? Isn't that cute? Red and black. So simply just, you can go like that. Isn't that cute? I love that. Love that. So super cute. Or you can just have your hair down like that and then slide it in like that. Just for an accessory. Like that. Okay, so that concludes the unboxing of the Amber Box themed Mom Things box. So let's go ahead and do a quick review, you guys, and then we are going to rate this box. Are you guys ready? All right, so quick review. We've got this headband, pillowcase. We've got the Bellapierre Cosmetics lip gloss, the beanie, and we've got the tank top. All those items, you guys, in the box, I will leave those in my description area. This box, just $39.99. So what did you guys think? What did you guys think of this Mom Things box? Put your thinking hats on because we are about to rate that box. You ready? Let's go ahead and rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Okay, so you guys know, you absolutely know that I am going to love this box because, well, I picked all of these items. It's important for me to know what you guys think of this box. Okay, so when we rate the box, you guys, we rate based on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being, don't go there. 10 being, yes, queen, you need to buy this box. Okay, when we rate the box, we rate based on a few different factors. We rate based on the presentation of the box, which includes the packaging, the presentation of the box, as well as the description of the items in the box, as well as the variety of the items, the price point of the items, and the overall value of the box compared to the retail price of each item. I feel like the price point is very on point. Most subscription boxes range anywhere from that $30 to $60 mark. I love the fact that you can go on there and customize your own box. Love that concept. I wanted to see the items that were available to me to put into the box, which there were quite a few. They had anywhere from kitchen items, they had self-care items, they had beauty items, they had fashion pieces, they had a whole variety of items to choose, but these were the items that I felt best represented me. Hit that drum roll, please. I am going to rate this box a 9.5. 9.5. You guys knew it was gonna be high. You freaking knew it. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section down below. I would love to hear what you guys think about the amber themed box for mom things. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and we will see you in the next video.